This is a system of equation. B is equal to 2.35 plus 0.25x and C is equal to 1.75 plus 0.40x. B and C represent the price per pound in dollar of beef and chicken. That means B is the price per pound in dollar of beef and C is the price per pound in dollar of chicken. X weeks after July 1st. That means 1 week after July 1st, there's an addition to the price per pound of beef and chicken. And they add at different rates and their initial price is also different. What was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound of chicken? That means the price per pound of beef should be equal to the price per pound of chicken. And know that the value of X increases because it is the same calendar they are both using. So 1 week after for beef should also be 1 week after for chicken. So let us write it down as X equal to X. And if X equal to X, that means there's no change in the amount of weeks. That means we can simply just say, since B is equal to C, and B is equal to 2.35 plus 0.25x, and C is equal to 1.75 plus 0.40x, and B is equal to C. Therefore, 2.35 plus 0.25x should be equal to 1.75 plus 0.40x. We will then collect like terms and simplify. There's x in this term and there's x in this term. So all the values that don't have x will go to the left hand side and all the values that have x will come to the right hand side. So we have 2.35 minus 1.75 should be equal to 0.40x minus 0.25x. This will be 2.35 minus 1.75 should be equal to 0.4 minus 0.25x. Remember that calculators are not allowed, that is for this section of the SAT exam. So 5 minus 5, that is 0. 3 minus 7 cannot go, so we borrow 1 from here. 13 minus 7, that will be 6. 1 minus 1, that is 0, 0.6. 0 minus 5 cannot go, so we borrow 1 from here, that will be 3 here, 1 here, that's 10. 10 minus 5, that will be 5. 3 minus 2, that is 1. This will be 0.5 and 0.60. So we have 0.60 should be equal to 0.15x. The next thing we do, we divide both sides by 0.15 because we are told to find x, we are not told to find 0.15x. So this will be 0.15 divided by 0.15. 0.15 cancels 0.15. This decimal place can change, so that will be 60 divided by 15. 15 here 1, 15 here 4. X is equal to 4.0. This is not the final answer because we were told that we should find the price per pound. That is the price per pound of beef when it's equal to the price per pound of chicken. X now is the amount of weeks after the initial price was set. That means 4 weeks after the initial price was set, the price of chicken and the price of beef would be equal to each other. So now let's find what the price is. You can pick any of the initial equation, either equation 1 or equation 2, but me I will go with equation 1. B is equal to 2.35 plus 0.25x. We know that x is 4, so we know that means B will be equal to 2.35 plus 0.25 times 4. A quarter times 4 would be 1. So B is equal to 2.35 plus 1.00. That means B is equal to $3.35. And from the options, our answer is D. Check the description for more explanation, and in the comments, try using the equation for C to confirm. Stay excited.